I stayed in a luxury 3D printed home in Austin, Texas, and I'm now convinced that the tech is the future of home construction. Well, that looks like a pretty 3D printed house. We've seen some that were a little uglier. This one looks really nice.
So now, like, I can have like a better picture of how the house would look like a modern house. And it's not fully 3D printed.
Right.
It's just sections of it.
It looks like it has some...
There's a lot of wood.
Yeah, like some more traditional building materials combined with 3D printed materials.
So this is in Texas. And you can kind of see that the wall material kind of looks like an accent to like a design. It's not like completely flat. But also there's like a lot of wood that helps with the design as well. So it doesn't look as ugly.
Yeah, you see like the layers, and I've seen time-lapse videos of how these things are actually printed, and it's like a concrete-looking material that's kind of layered in one sheet at a time. There's like maybe it's like an inch thick, and then the next one is layered on and on and on.
And what you get is like this textured look, which
I like.
They added like a little pattern to it that looks like a folded curtain kind of look. Which is very subtle. But yeah, I would imagine this would be done the right way in terms of 3D printed houses, where like it's not completely 3D printed. There's other properties and other material that's used to construct the house with glass and wood and a little bit of, I guess, molded cement in some form and metal. Yeah, I mean, it looks really nice.
And of course, the benefit here is speed. They say that the main portion of this house was actually printed in just 8 days.
Yeah.
That's pretty amazing. But then they had to spend 5 months finishing the rest of the home. Window installations, wiring, and plumbing.
Well, yeah, that needs to be
that's still
quicker.
not that long, really. When the home was completed, Icon invited me to spend a night in the new 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom build. Well, I don't know what you're really going to discover spending a night in there, but you're going to just be like, yeah, it's cool. It's good.
Yeah. Maybe know more about like the temperature. If it can hold heat.
Well, it's concrete. It's going to be amazing from that standpoint.
Yeah.
Yeah, concrete's robust stuff. I think the design came out pretty cool with that like overhang there. And I don't know. Yeah, so it's not a huge place.
No, I think it's like 2,000 square foot.
2,000? So it's, yeah, okay.
Oh.
Many 3D printing enthusiasts view the tech as a path towards alleviating housing shortages and improving affordability. We'll see about that. What do they want me to pay for that one? That looks expensive, Will.
I don't know if it's on sale.
I don't think
you can live in it.
I don't think it's affordable,
renting.
man. I doubt it. Looks too nice. Look at, they got all the little modern accessories. You can pay some money for that. They got a cactus. Come on, man.
Yeah. Well, I haven't actually seen.
It's kind of got a Star Wars thing to it. Go back up to the table there in the round. It's kind of got a Star Wars. It's got a
Tatooine.
It's got a Tatooine.
Like the desert.
It's got a Tatooine as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah. Yeah.
So maybe in the future we'll do one of these. Well,
yeah.
Little 3D printed building. The next headquarters.
Mm-hmm.